Imagine this for a second. You've invested the last 6 months of your blood, sweat, and tears building and learning about your Amazon business. And this is it. You're finally live. You've got all your products, you're in Amazon, you're live, and you're sitting there and nothing. So looking back, what could you have done differently? This is John from ZonGuru, and here are 7 reasons why products fail and how you could avoid them. Number 1, not doing proper product market research. Is there enough demand? Is there too much competition? Is there not enough competition? These are all questions you need answers to so that you can make the right choice around the niche that you're going for, which is the platform that you need as you build your Amazon business. When you're searching on Amazon, you can look at how much competition there is from the amount of reviews and how many people are actually selling that product. Is there enough demand? Looking at the actual sales volume and what kind of monthly sales these type of products are doing. These are all questions you need answers for. There's a lot of nuance and a lot of specific data points you need to look at. That's why you need to use our niche rater on our Chrome extension, which will help you to get these answers immediately at the click of a button. Number 2, not understanding who your customer is. What are their wants? What are their needs? What are their love? What are their hate? These are critical things that you need to understand when you build your customer avatar so that you can create a product that actually connects with your audience. Customer surveys, getting insights from that. You can do it through Google surveys or even just reading through reviews of similar products. This will really help you understand who your customer is so you can connect with them and make sure that they actually buy your product and enjoy it. Number 3, not differentiating your product. If you can't answer the question, why should someone buy my product that I sell on Amazon over everything else that's on that page and all of the competition, you're going to be losing at this game. So how do you differentiate? Imagery is one of the best ways you can absolutely differentiate your product. Bundling, product differentiating, customizing your product. There's a bunch of ways to do this, and there's some that work much better than others. Feeling lost about that? Check out our Instagram page. We go through product differentiation. We show you what are the best ways to do it and what are the worst ways to do it. So follow us there, you'll get some great ideas. Number 4, improper keyword research. If you don't know what keywords to target, you might be missing out on a massive chunk of audience, a massive chunk on customers, and a massive chunk of actual money and volume. So do the research, use our Keywords on Fire tool, find the right keywords to target and beat the competition. Number 5, bad supplier relationships. If you're cheap and you try and buy the cheapest product and get the cheapest suppliers without fostering a long-term relationship, you are going to lose at this game. These are partners that you will have for life potentially, so make sure you build a win-win relationship so that you can both benefit moving forward. Number 6, an ineffective launch strategy. Amazon gives you a honeymoon period. That is the period of from launch to about 14 days after launch. They'll make sure that you get visibility and they give you a chance to really get a lot of customers and convert. If you don't have an effective launch strategy, you can lose at this game. So making sure that you have your PPC strategy dialed in from the minute you launch. Making sure that you have an opportunity to find initial customers and get some reviews. These are all things you need to think about so that you can launch, put some money behind it, and really push as hard as you can for those first 14 days so that you can get the most traffic and the most conversions. Amazon can see that you're a player in this business and that you can make them money, and then therefore the algorithm will start to pick you up and you'll start to make a lot of money and gain a lot of momentum. And number 7, using shortcuts. This is a long-term business, treat it like that. Fake reviews, black hat tactics. If you're doing things against Amazon's terms of service, you're going to get into trouble very, very quickly. What do you need to do? You need to keep on top of Amazon's terms of service, understand what are the quality and the right things to do, and do it that way. It's going to be the best thing for you in the long term. You are the CEO of your business. You need to make sure you have the best vision and you have a plan for your business. You need to make sure you set the right standards for yourself, for your products, for the quality of your business, for your customers, and for recruitment. Make sure you have good masterminds. Make sure you watch our Seller Insight where we interview experts. All the things that you need to be the best CEO you can be for your business. So that's 7 reasons, guys. Do you find that you've made some of those mistakes? If you want a recap of exactly all of those 7 reasons, just click on the link below and we have a blog article there that will give you a lot more detail around every single one of those steps. Don't forget to click on this link right here, subscribe, and we'll help guide you and help you to be successful at your Amazon business. Cheers for now.